she's broken!
Subscribe! Like! Quick click!
Oh no! What on earth is going on? The Ballerina Cappuccino is broken. Let's take a closer look with our friends. Let's go! First of all, I need to take off my glasses and take a closer look. Don't worry, I'll turn you back into the original Ballerina Capuchina. I will remove fine dust and small pieces with a soft brush. It is important to remove it carefully so as not to scratch it. Let's start by putting the large broken pieces together. Oh no, the broken pieces won't stay in place. I need some strong super glue. Let's put the broken pieces back together. Fill in any tiny gaps while the glue dries. Now just wait for it to dry. 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Wow, it's perfect. Now it's time to get pretty. I'm going to wear brown circle lenses to make Ballerina Capuchina's small eyes look bigger. So cute! Let's upgrade your beauty with simple makeup. Let's emphasize your eyes by applying eyelashes. Oh my gosh, Ballerina Capuchina is getting prettier, isn't she? I've got my pink blush ready. I'll apply it evenly to both cheeks. Does Ballerina Capuchina look lively and young? Leave your comments below. I'll apply rose-colored lipstick to your dull-looking lips. I'll apply powder evenly to give her a matte, porcelain-like complexion. Her makeup is perfect! How does it look? Pretty, right? But why does it feel so empty? Oh, the cup is empty! I'll prepare some coffee. Ouch! That's hot! I'll carefully pour the coffee into the cup. I prepared milk foam for latte art. Can I succeed without shaking hands? I need my friend's support. Look, I made a beautiful latte art. How did you like it, friends? If you enjoyed it, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned for the next installment of the illustrated story.
Subscribe! Like! Quick click!
Hi, Pinky. Oh, what's going on with Pinky's face, friends? Tell your friends to help Pinky. Let's go! Make sure to subscribe and like first. Why is Pinky's face so swollen? Yikes, Pinky's nose is the worst. Luckily, I don't seem to have a fever. Let's dress Pinky in a gown. Prepare the tray. I'll use tweezers to pull out the stuck tissue. Oh, no! Oops! What do I do with this? I have a whole bunch of green snot I don't even want to touch. Yuck! Pinky's snot is just puffing up. Ugh, I feel weird. Ugh, I hate it so much. Don't your friends hate runny nose? Pinky, I'm sorry. I can't touch it. I'll clean it up quickly with a tissue. Throw this away. I'll remove the one on your nose, too. Oh, throw this away, too. No, Pinky, you didn't even trim your nose hairs? Pinky, you have to suck it up even when it hurts. You look sick to your friends, don't you? Oops. Let's switch tools to tweezers. Oh! Aw, Pinky, that hurt, but it felt so cool to get it all out. Let me check inside your nose. I can't see it. What do I do? I'll hold it in place with a pair of tongs so you can see inside your nostrils.
Action!
Not so easy to get rid of snot. Clean up those nasty cold viruses. Ugh, it's a powerful virus, and it's not easy to get rid of it. Your friends should also be careful of colds. Oh, the inside of my nostrils are clean now. Nasal irrigator for extra cleaning. Ta-da! Wow, the swelling in my nose has gone down. Pink eye is better too. Now that I can smell and taste again, Pinky, let's eat everything you want. Grilled fish. Salad. Shrimp bowl. Skewers. Spaghetti. Hot sauce. Sushi. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you enjoyed it. Friends, how did you like today's Pinky story? Stay tuned for the next fun story.